Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to change gender preference on Bumble. Right, so if you want to do that, it's very easy. First step to take is to open your Bumble app, and then you just have to click on the filter icon at the top right corner of your screen. But first of all, I don't know if this feature is only available for premium users, all right, because I'm actually on premium, so I don't know if it's only for premium users. So what you have to do once you get to the filter, you're going to see two options at the top: the dating basics and the advanced filters. All right, so you have to select dating basics. All right, so once you right here, what you have to do next, if you look at the top, you see this option: who you want to date. All right, so just click on that option, and you're going to see the options for men, women, and non-binary people. All right, so but if you open to date everyone, you can turn on this toggle button just like this. But if you have a preference, all you have to do is to select either a man. If it's men, you can choose a man. Sorry, if it's men, choose a man. If it's women, you select just like this. And if it's non-binary, you can select that one. Once you done, just go out from there, and it will be set for you. All right, so that's how you can actually choose your gender preference on Bumble. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.